Striking Viking Beard Products review. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for the beard products from Striking Viking. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, if you want to get special discounts or special promos when buying products right here from Striking Viking, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So according to their website over here, out of 2,600 reviews, the customers right here have an average of a 4.5 star rating out of 5 stars. So here are what some customers have to say. So we have one from Amy Cook right here. Love it. I use these as eyebrow pens. Such a good value and lasts forever. Good color match and not messy. We have the one right here. Good for moisturizing beard. Good stuff. I use this primarily as a moisturizer for my beard at night. I don't use it to style my beard hair. Then we have another one right here from Frances. Cute and stylish. It is a gift from my dad in another state. It's cute and compact. I'm sure he will love the item. Thank you. So yeah, so that's pretty much some of the reviews right here from Striking Viking. So yeah, so here's some of the products that they have to offer. So they have like beard grooming kits, a wooden beard comb, a beard balm, beard growth kit, sea salt hairspray, beard oil, beard balm, and more beard oil. So yeah, if you want to check all of these out and if you want to get special discounts or special promos, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the review for Striking Viking Beard Products. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.